Hi dear students, in this video we'll be discussing about structure of a project report. So we know what is a project report. A project report, that is the detailed or it is the described form of a research work. It is a document. So how can we prepare a report or how can we write a report? Or what are the things should be included in a research report. So mainly in a research report, we should have first part as our preliminary pages or prefatory pages or prefatory items. Then we will be having a main body. Then it comes to end matter. So here we can discuss about what are things will be there in these three parts. First is prefatory items or preliminary pages. In your prefatory items, we have mainly title page, acknowledgement page, preface or forward, then table of contents, list of tables and figures. These items or these pages will be there in your first part. That is when we are having a project report or if we are having a book, when we turn out that books, we can see there are certain pages which gives the title about that book or project. Then some acknowledgement pages. In acknowledgement page, the author will be the author will be acknowledging those persons who have helped him to do this particular work. Then preface or forward page, there the author will be giving an idea about what this book contains. So preface is written by or prepared by the author himself, and forward means it is some other person than an author. ഒരു ഓതറിനേക്കാൾ ഓതർ എഴുതില്ല, വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരാൾ ബുക്കിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഒരു അഭിപ്രായം എഴുതി വെക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ഫോർവേഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Then table of content means the contents of pages. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ബുക്കിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് റിപ്പോർട്ടിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് അതൊക്കെ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന ടേബിളിനാണ് നമ്മൾ ടേബിൾ ഓഫ് കണ്ടന്റ് പറയാം. ലിസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ടേബിൾസ് ആൻഡ് ഫിഗേഴ്സ്, if any tables and figures are there in your project, that should be listed out and given numbers, and that will be put in a table form. That is list of tables and figures. That is your first part, prefatory items, or it is also called as preliminary pages. Next you have main body. Main body, it is the place or it is the section where everything or main part of our project report is there. So there you should have an introduction, then the methodology which we use, then statement of findings, then you should have certain suggestions, that is conclusions and recommendations. Then in certain or in correct or in when we are having a project report for research work and all, not for your small projects which we do as per our syllabus, an original research report. In such research report we will be having a small summary also. So those things comes as your main body. Next you are having your end matter. End matter means it comes as your reference works, where we submit our reference work. It is appendix, glossary, literature cited and bibliography. These things comes as your third part, that is end matter. So I think you have an idea. Now you have an idea about structure of report. First was your prefatory items or your preliminary pages. Then you have title page, acknowledgement page, preface or forward, table of contents, list of tables and figures. Then you have your main body. There you have introduction about the topic, the methodology used for your research, then your findings. In this methodology everything includes your review of literature, everything includes in these first two sessions, introduction and methodology. Then conclusions and recommendations, and also summary of report. Then when it comes to end matter or your last part of project report, there you have appendix, glossary, literature cited and bibliography. So this is your a small structure. Now in next video we will be discussing in detail about your first part, prefatory items. What all things should be included or everything will be discussed in detail. Thank you.